In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a 120-piece T-tap quick splice wire connectors. They're great for automotive, shipping, home, engineering. And you can see the gauge right here, the T-tap. The red are 22 to 18 gauge. You get 20 of those. Basically, you get 20 of all of them, by the way. Blue's 18 to 14, 12. Yellow is the 12. And then you get the male connectors. Same deal, 20, 16, 16, 14, and 12 to 10. And looking over the back, wow, you can see all of the connectors here, here, and here. So basically it's different, and you can see it's called an AIRIC tap connector spade terminals. So opening this thing up, it came plastic little wrapper. That is a sticker on the top. So this is a nice little container. I have a wire here, so we will get to see these things in action. So opening them up, you can see right here, it's going to show you how to connect it. You're going to need some wire strippers right here. This is for, you know, any type of terminals and all that. Basically, all it works. So if you got a wire like this right here, so you would get it just like this, and then you would close it up on it. I could do it with my fingers. You just basically pinch it right there. Now check this out. Now I have a connection inside that wire. So now what I would do is take the blue one just like this, and then I would crimp it on like so, twist that up, and this works extremely well, by the way. And then go right here, crimp that up just like that. Now that part is crimped on there. Now I could probably pull it off if I yanked it enough, but check this out. So let's say this is a connecting wire, and now I have a male connector right there, and this would lock in like this. And they're lined up. You can see how it's open just like this. So you line it up and push it on. That is a connection. I just connected a wire. Is that not awesome? This is going to be very handy for radio installation or working on lights. I've got to wire some lights for my trailer, and instead of splicing them in, instead of cutting and splicing, this is so handy to be able to just close it up on it, and it completes the connection. And can we take it back apart? Let's actually, you know, I got it all together, so I'm going to pull it apart here. Can we actually, whoa, you can actually pull this all. You see how it works? It closed up on the wire very nicely on that. And it didn't splice the wire. I could easily like tape that up, put some tape on there or something, and that wire would be back to normal. So if I wanted to take the connector off, I could take all of that. This is something I'm going to definitely be using amongst my, you know, travels and repairs that I seem to always end up doing, not on purpose, trust me. All right, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the T-tap quick splice wire connector kit. See y'all in the next video.